So people, I want to show you something with the tide. Right, this is I'm at my hotel in Zanzibar in Tanzania. I want to remind you, Zanzibar is an island, and it's on the eastern. It's in East Africa, right? It's on the eastern side of Zanzibar, obviously. So what you're looking at is the tide out, right? You ever read anything or even watch anything I hear about the tide is out and the tide is in? So the tide is out now, and it's like the sea withdraws. And you can actually walk out, way out, you know. You can walk way out. You see people how far people over there, so like a zoom in and kind of show. You see how far people are way over there, so. Right. I'm the way up. Yeah, I'm doing something. Okay. Yeah, you have these people from the village. I'm all try to chat you up, you know, hustling. I'm gonna do them thing, you know, everybody has survive, you know. It's just that sometimes them not low you know, get us easy. But again, people, look how far up. I wanted to say, look way out there, so, you know. I would say that's about a half a mile. Or if you go, well, I make a zoom right there so I see. Zoom right out. People are way out that, you know. And then, I don't know, like the villagers, they go in some parts, you know, when the tide drop back, you see them out there with bags and they're picking up some things. I don't know where they might pick up and thing, you know. But whatever it is, it has to be of some sort of value. Alright, let me zoom back in. And I'm zooming up on them Samsung phone, they're better than the iPhone, you know. Just have to try to get your hand steady, that's yeah, so me just want to show you that, you know. Because you see where them two men that are right there, so. At this of the water, when the tide come back in, at this of the water there, the sea come right there, so. I see it gone right now. Yeah, good morning. I'm good. You say one time, so how are you? You say you're good. Yeah. Hakuna Matata. Yeah. See, them just stopping. Sometimes it never makes sense to answer. Because the objective is to engage you, you know. But yeah, I just want to show you that still, so the tide is almost like a mile out. It's crazy. And then by later, it come back in. You just do it every day. See a lady down there, so I take up some of the seaweed them. I don't know, she probably sell it or do something with it and thing. Or whatever. You know what I'm gonna ask you? Yo, the tide does this every day? Do you understand English?
Yes.
Okay, the tide, it goes out and come in every day?
Depends. They change.
Oh, it doesn't do it every day?
No.
Oh.
They have some week, the water not low tide.
Huh?
Then next week,
yeah,
they change after 1 hour.
Oh.
Yes.
So is it going to come back in today?
Yes.
And it's going to come back down there, right?
They will be here.
Where?
Yeah, there, you see?
Right here.
Yes.
So, how far out is it now?
Huh?
How far out is it? That's like a mile.
Yes, the reef there.
The reef. Oh, there's a reef up there.
Now you can walk even 2 hours. Water not come back.
You can what?
Walk.
Yeah?
What, 2 hours?
For 2 hours?
Yes.
Because the water won't come back?
No. They
When
will
it comes
come
back, does it come back quick?
No, they come pole.
Poli,
Slowly.
is that Swahili?
Slowly, yeah.
No, is that poly slowly?
Slowly, like pole.
Poly, is that Swahili?
Yes.
Poly?
Yes.
All right, cool. I'm learning. All right,
So,
poly.
Water, they will start to come back around this.
Around 12.
Yes.
Oh, but it's just around, what, 10 o'clock now? Is it, or after 10?
Yes. But they come in pole. Slowly.
Poly, a little by little.
Around 3, 4
Uh-huh.
will be very high tide.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what's that lady picking up right there?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. What is she gonna do with it?
They're doing like cosmetics.
Cosmetics?
Yes.
She use it to make stuff?
Yes, the woman collect there.
Yeah.
They selling for Chinese people.
Wait, say that again?
Chinese people. The woman collect it.
Oh, she collect it there and she's gonna sell it to Chinese people?
Yes, they go to selling for market, Chinese.
In the market, okay.
And Chinese people, they go to make cosmetics.
They use it to make cosmetics.
Yes, like,
Oh, so it's good then when the tide goes out.
yes, that people are not coming here.
Oh, so that's what a lot of the women from the village,
They take it there and they put in there. You see the stick?
the stick?
White stick.
Oh, yeah, over there. They put it over there to dry.
Yes, to dry.
And,
Color.
and after what?
After 1 week,
After 1 week,
they change color.
they change color
Yeah, they will be dry.
and they'll be dry. Okay,
And they take to the village.
right?
The Chinese people coming.
And the Chinese people come in and they buy.
Make.
And so that's what I see several of those women up there, right?
Yes, every woman has different farm.
Oh,
But you can see the stick.
say that again?
If you see this whole stick,
Yeah.
every woman they
Yeah.
have different farms, like farm.
Oh, they have their own area.
Yes.
Oh, so one can't go in somebody else's area.
No.
Oh, okay. I'm
You
learning.
can go to see now.
Huh?
You can go to see now. If you have time.
Can I walk out there now?
Yes. You can see.
What the hell? Let's go. What is your name?
Jeremiah.
Jeremiah.
Yes.
Jeremiah, my name is Raga.
Raga. Like Iruga.
Oh, wait. Okay, all right.
Raga.
Where I come from?
Huh?
Where I come from?
Originally from Jamaica, but I live in the United States now.
From Bob Marley.
Huh?
From Bob Marley.
From Bob Marley?
I like Bob Marley.
You know Bob Marley?
Yeah, I know him.
Okay.
Because
Who
I
else you know from Jamaica?
Because I like reggae.
You like reggae?
Yeah. Like
Tell me a reggae
Bob
song
Marley.
that you like.
No, man, no. This rap from Bob Marley, just like this.
Okay.
Hakuna Matata, everything you're
Yeah?
right,
Yeah?
My name is Banka.
Banka.
Yeah, my name is
Banka and Jeremiah.
Yes.
All right.
When do you rap here, Zanzibar?
Pole.
Okay, all right.
When do you rap here, Zanzibar?
When did I arrive here in Zanzibar? Man, I don't even remember.
Oh, how many people are here?
Several. What?
How many people are here? You alone here?
What's that?
You alone here? How many people?
Why you want to know that?
Yeah, because I do activity here in Zanzibar.
What kind of activity you do?
Like Member Island, Prison Island. An
You what?
Blenda, Blue Safari. Yeah.
You what?
that. Yes, like this. Let me show you this.
No, I'm here alone, but you do activities.
Yes, if you
Okay, if I come back with a group, then I will have to get
okay.
your...
When you come back, I can't talk to you because I don't go over there. Just can I wait for you?
You don't go over there?
No, yeah.
Why?
Because we are two groups over here. One group, they do that job to go over there to show you a lot of animals from the ocean.
Yeah.
The other group, we do activity here, like in Nemba, Prison Island, and other trips. But when you come back here, come talk to me. But right now, just you have to talk to them about they go to explain you about there.
Okay.
Yes. from the
What's your
other
name? Banka?
Banka.
All right then, banker. When I come back, I talk to you. All right.
Okay, just I'm here.
Banker, the real banker.
What's your name?
Eh?
What's your name?
Banker, my name Raga. Raga. Yeah.
America.
Yeah. Well,
But reality,
Jamaica first.
first Jamaica.
Yeah.
Bob Marley place.
Bob Marley place. Who else do you know from Jamaica?
I know Bob Marley.
You know only Bob Marley. That's all right.
Because he's a famous man and he was a man who want to explain black people. How
That's
they
right.
live.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right. Okay.
He have the song he say, don't worry
Yeah.
about everything.
Every little thing
Gonna be alright.
gonna be all right. That's right. Okay. All right. I don't think I'm going to walk over into the water. I'll just go right there, okay? People, you see how far from the you see how far from the beach I am? Yeah. And look there, still a great distance out. So Jeremiah, I think I'll stop here.
Stop.
How far are you going?
Not far.
Oh, right here.
If you have time,
Yeah.
you see also there people walking to go there.
Yeah.
They go to see there. You can see starfish, Nemo, everything.
You can see what?
Starfish,
Oh, starfish.
Nemo, animal from the sea.
Okay.
Yes,
So the ladies,
yes.
that lady's down.
You see?
Also, these sticks is they call it their farms.
Yes.
So they demarcate.
Yes.
Raga, why are you using them big
keep
words?
it
They mark out each area for themselves, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
And then other people, they're not allowed to go in.
Yes.
Somebody else cannot go into your area. No.
No, we can go because they know that this area is for tourists.
Oh no, what I mean is another lady can't go
Yeah,
into.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
she can't go into.
She can because they already see, if you see the stick, you know this is not
This is not.
free place.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let
It's
me
for
see.
someone.
Let me show you the lady down here. Yeah, people, you see her?
So this stick they put in here, and when you water will be low tide.
Yeah.
Water they bring this seaweed from
Yeah.
there. They
Oh.
live here. So women after be low tide, women coming and collect and to
No,
close.
wait. They bring this seaweed from all the way up there?
Yeah.
Oh, so why they bring it and put it in here?
Yes, you see this stick.
Yeah.
When the water coming from there,
Right.
they bring this seaweed.
Oh, the water bring
Yes,
it.
they-
Right.
After
That's what I
bringing,
figured.
They left here because they have a stick.
Oh, the stick holds the seaweed.
Yes.
Ah.
So the women coming from morning
Wait. What's that singing?
song.
Are they singing
Yes.
what?
Our song
Yeah,
here for tourists, we have a special song.
a special song?
Yes. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Wait. Can I hear it?
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata. Wageni karibuni, hakuna matata. Tanzania ya amani, hakuna matata. Zanzibar, hakuna matata. Jamaica, hakuna matata.
Jeremiah?
Oye.
Oh yeah.
Raga.
Yeah. TamFam? Yeah. All right. I like it. Oh, so okay. So those people all the way over there now. Who
Yes,
are those people?
You see everybody, a lot
Yeah.
of people,
Mhm.
they walk to the sea, they go to see there. They have different animals. You can see very.
It's because you see, I didn't come down here for this. This was just impromptu, you know.
For sleeping.
Yeah, this is I wear this in my room, and I have to wear this go down to
But if you have time, we can go.
yeah,
Why not?
probably tomorrow morning or so, right?
Okay, hakuna matata.
But yeah, I would go all the way out there.
Yes. And even you have time now,
Mm-hmm.
we can wait you. You go to change.
Uh-huh.
We wait you here.
All right, yeah, let's go for it. Let me okay, let me take off my shoes over this.
Hakuna matata.
Pole pole.
Hmm?
And also,
Pole.
we have business. We have.
Eh?
Let's show you.
Okay, no man, we talk about that when we come back, man.
Yes.
All right?
Hakuna matata.
Because you're people, this is incredible.
There you will be very happy.
Hmm?
There.
Up there?
You will have different something.
I'll have a different
We will make you a song,
mm-hmm.
and we will hold the starfish,
Uh-huh.
and we will singing song.
Okay.
Very, very good memory.
All right.
Sure.
We'll see.
Yes.
What did you just say? Oh, sure.
Huh?
What did you just say?
For sure.
Oh, for sure.
For sure, you will be happy.
Okay. You sure about that?
Yeah.
How do you know I get happy easily?
Because it's the way, very, very beautiful way.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody in Zanzibar, they speak Swahili or they speak other languages?
No, we have another language.
What's it called?
But us, we are from Tanzania.
You're from Tanzania, the mainland.
Zanzibar, they have no tribe.
Oh, they have no tribes over here.
Only Swahili.
It's only
But
Swahili.
us, we are from Tanzania.
Okay.
We have like 120 tribes.
120 tribes
So
in
I have my
Tanzania.
language.
Hmm.
No
What's
Swahili.
yours is called?
Masai.
Oh, Masai. Right. Well,
Yeah.
I should tell you, you're in a
So I
Masai
speak
crew.
Masai language.
You're right.
And the Swahili is for everybody.
Swahili is for everybody.
Yes.
But most of the groups, they have their own language, right? The
Yes.
tribes, right?
Yes. But only Tanzania, they have many language. But here, only Swahili.
Only Swahili.
Yes. And the Arabic, other people speak Arabic.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Because of Muslim.
Right, because I notice it's mostly Muslims that are
Yes.
here in Zanzibar.
Yes.
Okay. So where can I take off my shoes now? Huh?
You want to leave?
I want to take it. Should I take it off now?
Yes, why not?
But where I'm going to leave it? That's safe.
This for shadow.
Huh?
But you only leave this, the socks. But these shoes we can. It's not good for water.
What? The shoes? No, the shoes not good for water.
What size is your number?
What size?
Yes.
13.
13.
Yeah.
Okay, I can give this when we go there because I have little coral
Get what?
there.
Coral, so would I have to be careful?
Yes, but if you have me, I have 45, 42.
Oh. So are you saying that I would need to wear something out there?
No, but these shoes, if it's not possible to go there,
Yeah.
you can put there.
Yeah.
And we can walk. And
All right, so is it safe? Nobody's not getting up.
No,
Nobody.
no.
Okay, all right. Then can I ask you a favor?
Yes.
Can Oh, wait. All right. Okay. Can somebody just put it up there for me, please? I appreciate it.
Pole.
All right, pole. All right. Well, so what's the name of your group here?
We have no group, but we are Maasai. Everybody have.
No, but do you have a name for your group?
Yes.
No?
He have name.
Oh, okay. Yeah, what's your name? Ima. All right.
That's okay, can attack this because they wait for you here.
All right, Banka. All right. Banka. Hold on, Papa Slippers. I think Banka easy. What's your name? Danny.
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
And they call you Danny. I said Rasta Danny, don't?
Yeah.
All right. And what is your name?
Mario.
Mario.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that your real name, or is that like, or do you have like a Maasai name? That's your real. Okay. What's your name?
Kibanyanjani.
Eh?
Kibanyanjani.
Kibanianjani.
Yeah.
Kibanianjani.
Maasai name.
Maasai name. Kibanianjani. All right. Cool. All right. Let's go. All right, people. This wasn't planned, but I just had breakfast and I was going back and I was like, yo, the tide's out. This is awesome.
You sure by now? We can try to give these shoes.
Hmm?
Let's try to.
What?
These shoes.
Wait, why? Am I gonna need it?
Ah,
No, man, I'm a good man. Me a gangster.
strong.
Yeah, come on, I'm a good man.
Because there they have little coral.
Oh, the coral, will it like cut my foot?
Yeah, but we show you good way.
Okay, you show me the good way because you
That
know.
we are here.
That's why you're here, yeah. So I'm not gonna step on nothing for mash up my foot, all right?
Uh-huh.
Because I can't go back to New York with a mash up foot, all right? It's not a good idea.
Yes.
All right.
Zanzibar hakuna matata. But we
Zanzibar
we
Hakuna Matata.
You know, sometimes
What does Hakuna Matata mean again?
no problem.
No problem.
But you know, my brother,
Mhm.
sometimes we are very happy to meet with black people like us. We are very proud because here,
Uh-huh.
the population of people is from Europe.
The most of the people are from Europe that
Yeah.
come here to this hotel.
Yeah, no, all. This
All over.
Because the Muzungu, we call Muzungu, white people.
White people, yeah, Muzungu.
But it's not good. We're just talking, me and you.
You just tell me, because you now make them know. So you call them Muzungu.
Yeah.
I saw something about how the term Muzungu came about. What is the origin of the term Muzungu? Tell me.
Muzungu is white people.
Yeah, but how did the word come up? How did Muzungu come about?
Because it's white.
Because it's white. Okay. I saw this video. I'll find it. Muzungu. So what are you saying now about
So
that?
sometimes
Yeah?
they very rude about it.
Rude.
Yes. Sometimes.
Sometimes rude or disrespectful.
Yes. Like not all.
Not all.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm like 50-50.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. About 50% of
This
them.
is sea urchin.
Right. We have that in Jamaica too, but they're bigger.
Bigger. Also
Yeah.
here we have bigger, but we have different color.
Yeah, but Jamaicans call them, don't ask me why. Jamaicans call them sea egg.
Also we call sea urchin like German.
Yeah?
Because here we have a lot of German.
Ah.
German people.
Yeah, because you
But
know
in
the
Swahili-
colonizers for Tanzania
Swahili-
were German.
We in Swahili we call rumba.
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 Uh-huh.
Yeah. In the colonial time, it was Germany that colonized over this side, you know?
Here it was Sultan.
Okay. All right. Yeah, no. Well, people, for the Tanzanian trip, I wasn't thinking of having you stay at the hotel where I'm at right now. But again, this is for the trip in July 2025. But after experiencing this, I may just keep it at the same hotel here. Because this is an activity I would want to experience. See where I go on here. No people, big and serious, but I love one of your experiences, man. I like. See when I lay there I work right just so. Uh-huh. Oh, right here, yeah, okay.
You can see different.
Huh?
You can see different color.
Different color, right?
This is new.
That's new, the green one.
Yes, they come in yesterday.
They come in when?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
And this like couple of days.
Okay, so you could tell from the color.
Yes.
So you have to keep them here
Keep
for a
here.
while?
After they grow up also here.
Huh?
Because there they when water bring they very small. And,
Oh, now I understand.
they grow
So
up.
you keep them here to grow.
Yes.
So that's why you call it a farm.
Yes.
Oh, I understand.
So after grow up, you see the women.
Yeah?
They come close and they put there.
Oh, so they keep it here.
Yes.
Okay, I understand. So so this is somebody's farm right here.
See the tree.
The stick.
Yes, you can see.
The stick.
Yes.
Right. So with the stick, this
Different.
is somebody's farm,
Yes.
and the person ties them onto these strings.
Personally.
Personally. So the person tie them onto this
Yes.
and leave them there for them to grow.
Yes.
So even when the tide comes in and cover them, they're growing.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
You have family here?
Huh?
You are alone here? Or
Yeah, I came alone.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm bringing a group next year, July.
July.
Yes, I'm bringing a group here next year. Wait, see water
How many days?
come up. Next year, July?
This now. How
Now?
many days you stay?
Well, I'm gonna be leaving soon.
Soon.
Yeah, because I've been here for a few days. I was over in Arusha.
Arusha.
Yeah, and I did Ngorongoro in Tarangire. Tarangire.
It's home.
Yeah, that's where you were from? Okay, yeah, because I know that's Masai land.
But we have big one.
What do you know about this? You see coral. Let's show you coral.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You see this they like umbrella.
Right.
a house.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, they live in the and wait. That snail is moving. No, hold it.
Alright, let's give you the song.
Huh?
Song.
Yeah.
Bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata. Wageni karibuni, hakuna matata.
Wait. Teach me. What's the first line?
Jambo.
Jambo bwana.
Habari
Habari
gani?
gani?
Nzuri sana.
Izuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa.
Zanzibar yetu.
Why are you laughing at me? Come again. Teach me again. Come again. The first, start again. Say, Jambo bwana. Habari gani? Izuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa. Zanzibar yetu. Hakuna matata. Brap. Man a artist. Yo, so this is what now? Fish. Oh yeah, this is the puffer fish. This is hot, yeah. But don't you have to be careful? Don't they have some poison too? No.
The long mouth is the poisonous.
Oh, the long mouth one is the poisonous.
Short mouth, it is not problem.
Yes, but so when they're threatened, they swell, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay.
Honey.
All right. Good. All right. Jambo.
You are very good.
Huh? What?
How you can
Wait.
singing?
I'm very good with singing?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm an awful singer. I can't sing well.
I would think like you are from here.
Oh. No, what's the first line? Jambo.
Not easy.
It's not easy.
Yes. How you can the first day you can singing the song of here.
First day that I'm singing this. Well, I'm just trying to catch the melody. I mean, the words is one thing, but then, no, but I can't sing, man. I have problem holding a note.
Why all you more here, wana? More here, wana. Hii tena. Ah? Laile? Dikaja? Kisi dia mo? Yera hago yera.
Pole. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, I see them. I have to be careful, huh? Pole over here, so. Right. Huh? Over here, so. Yeah, man. I have to follow what Jeremiah saying, you know. Because then you end up a step up on some. Alright.
You're strong, man.
Huh?
You're strong, man.
That I'm a strong man? Oh, you mean? Yeah. You know, and Jeremiah hype me up. Whoa! Alright, you see it. You know, me there Jamaica and I run up and down barefoot, my foot bottom they tough. And you see, Jeremiah, when I was in Jamaica as a kid and running around, the bottom of my feet, they were like tough and strong. But then you go to America, you know, and you wear shoes every day, and you drive every day, and you get a little soft. And that's not good.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob? Oh, wait, what? What is that?
SpongeBob.
Sponge what?
SpongeBob.
Sponge pop?
Yes.
Like a sponge puppy?
Yes.
Oh, so that's an animal?
Yes, you see.
Oh, where's the eye?
You can touch.
Huh?
You can touch. They have no eye. They have only this. And the mouth.
Oh, okay. Sponge pop.
Spongy.
Okay. Huh?
See another
Oh, that's another one right there.
color. You see the color?
Okay. Sponge pop. I have a crew. They're called the Spray Them Crew.
Spreaded crew.
Yeah, just say hello to the Spray Them Crew.
Hello to the spreaded crew.
Hello to the Spray Them Crew.
Hello to the spreaded crew.
All right, and then you have this other crew. They're called the ANC, and they're our competitors, right? So we compete, friendly competition, right? So, but you can call them the punks.
The punk.
Yeah, the ANC, they're the punks.
The punk.
Yeah, they're punks, because they're not cool like the Spray Them Crew. ANC, I'm joking. Whoa! Oh, we got coral here, right?
Yes, poly.
Yeah, poly. I'm feeling it. It's kind of sharp. Okay. If I come back here, I'm gonna get one of those slippers where I could walk out in the water with them, right? Rotted. Yo, people make me sure know how far from land me there. Wanna see? Wanna see how far me there? Way up here, so. Yeah, no, well, the water not come in fast, you know. I'm saying the water come in what? Poly. So, we're good to Jesus. Okay. No, big and serious people. But no, I'm just talking to the folks who will be coming next year. Why sometimes them say follow your spirit, you know, because you have one area where, you know, as with everything, you have a area Zanzibar where.
Like jet ski?
Huh? Jet ski? Yeah, it's okay, but I'm cool. Did a lot of that in Jamaica. I did a lot of jet skiing in Jamaica. I'm cool with that, you know?
But now you live in America.
Yes. Hey, some people may tell us say.
Also later if you have time,
Yeah.
you can get more experience if we go to the village.
The village.
Yes, not far. The village.
The village. And what would we see in the village?
You can feel different life.
No, I would, yeah, no, particularly for my group. You know, when my group come out, you know, I think my group, they would be interested in that.
But also, you can be interested if you see different life.
And no, that's what I mean. That's what I'm saying, they would. I do, but I'm saying even more so for my group, you know. And you would be the one who would guide us there, right? Right? Okay, good. Yeah, so people, me just, you know, my spirit, they said us come that side here. Because on the northwest side, you know, people love go up there, so it's called Ngugi. What, yo, Jeremiah, what's the area up at the north? Ngugi, what's it called?
Nungwi.
Eh?
Nungwi.
Nungwi. Oh, no, up the area, the north, what's it called? Nungi?
Nungwi.
Nungwi. Yeah, up there, so people have to go.
North of ZANZIBAR.
Right. But I don't know about my spirit, they just have to come down here, so and thing, you know. This Nungwi up on the west side, northwest side. I'm up on basically like the northeast side of the island right now.
Okay.
And sometimes I follow your spirit, cause you know. And this not really the on that side, I can't tell you that. Because the other side is between mainland Tanzania and the island. So the reason why you're seeing this on this side is because it goes out into the Indian Ocean. And you see the reef over so. Huh? What? Sea cucumber. Oh. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. Wait, what? It's an animal?
Yes.
But you just squeezed it. Wait. Oh, sorry. Sea cucumber. It's like a what? Zanzibar! That's right. Yeah, no. Yo,
yes, I
yes, I
Wow, go on.
Mandaya. We're open at the place. See? Love, yeah. Yo. People don't know me love them vibes, yeah, you know. I feel me sitting in them type of thing, yeah, you know. Man. One love. You get that from Bob Marley, right? Marley left a legacy, you know, people. What Marley do for Jamaica? Not even some of our greatest leaders come close.
When we go to the starfish
Huh?
there, when we will be there
Yeah.
to the starfish,
Yeah?
you give me the phone and you stay with a group,
Yeah.
and you hold starfish and you will singing also.
Okay.
Yes, will be very good memory.
Okay. All right then, Jeremiah. You are on the thing, you know.
Captain, video.
Huh?
Captain.
That's right.
Yeah, it's good.
Jeremiah, I'm a general. Hello. Hi, greetings.
Pole, pole.
Pole, pole. Slowly, slowly. Now listen, your boss. You are on the thing.
Yeah? No, okay, long run. You see,
Huh?
different color.
Oh, well, Andy. Okay.
You see,
Okay.
this. Different color.
And does the different color mean different things?
No, only different color.
Only different color. Okay.
Yeah, but it's the same.
Okay. Oh, you want me to hold this?
You can touch.
Oh, it's pretty hard. No, don't put it on. No, put it just in my palm. Yeah. No, that's enough. That's enough. All right. So what do you say we do here now?
We go to the starfish.
The starfish. Okay. All right. So we can put back these now.
I think starfish very interesting.
Okay. And big up them youth here still, you know? Pole. People don't know, say when me did younger and I get in a trouble and I bother Jamaica, I used to run away from home and go up on the north coast go hustle, you know? All the way from Watchy to Negril. But then me kind of settle in at Watchy because me make some friend there, you know? Two brothers, Lydie and Junior, and them sister Yvonne and Olive, and them cousin Millicent. And then them did have a next cousin Psyche. And then they have a youth named Michi. And then one next one I forgot, but them they come mostly from an area named Exchange up at St. Ann. And Psyche they come from, I think, either named Content or Compound, something like so. I used to go. I used to also with the tourists them.
How are you?
Yeah. Oh, what are those fish called?
The fish is
Yeah, nice and black and pretty.
crown fish.
They're what?
Crown.
Crown fish. Okay. Nice. So you say sometimes the Europeans are rude to you?
Yes.
Like how?
Like if you say hello, it's not happy.
Yeah?
They say no. But it's okay. Life.
Oh, no, because I'm going to be honest with you. Sometimes people
Yes. So when we
say,
see,
sometimes black Tanzanians, they say hello, and I'll be like, no, I just want to be cool. So I do that sometimes too. I'm telling you the truth. Because when I came out, I was just going to go back. When you were saying hi to me, you notice I didn't say anything back at the same time, right? It was after a while I kind of felt
sometimes
it, right?
they can say to you, I need this something, and when you bring, it's like very proud.
Oh.
White people. They say, sometimes really people don't want to say hello because of holiday.
Right.
Because you are holiday, you need to relax.
Right. Exactly.
You know, when us, we are normal people. We
Right.
like to say hello
Right.
for everybody. It doesn't matter where
Okay.
are you from, where are you doing.
Right.
But most of them, hello.
Right.
Hello can make you to be very close with everybody.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
So sometimes you can say here, hello,
Right.
how are you? And say no.
okay. I see
But
what you're saying.
You can say that.
Right.
You can say, hello, I'm very busy.
Oh, I see what you're saying. People, what I must say is like, nothing wrong if you're busy. You know, he must say, nothing wrong if you're busy, you don't want to talk. But he must say, don't be rude with it. You know, if you're, he's saying like, if them say hello, don't be rude and to them and be dismissive, you know. You mean say hi, hello, you know, I'm okay, I'm good, I'm just going somewhere now, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
That's what Jeremiah is saying, like be nice about it, you know.
Very kind.
Yeah, be kind.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you know sometimes here we are very poor.
Right.
For sure.
Right.
Very poor.
Right.
So sometimes people coming here, when they say to you hello,
Yeah.
they have many problems. But
Right.
they know when he say to you hello, maybe they can change little bit the problem of the
Okay, if you just be nice to them.
Yes.
You
Maybe
know.
you can change the day of him.
Yeah. Just be nice because you never know what that person might be
Yes.
going through, right?
You don't know what the problem he has.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
But
Right.
they try to forget all problems.
Here.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? And also when you receive hello, you are very happy.
Right.
You change the life of people.
No, that's true. Like even a small act of kindness
Yes.
can make a big difference in somebody's life.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, right? Okay, Jeremiah, I hear you. I feel you.
Because I can wake up, maybe like here, I have my family home.
Mm-hmm.
All look for me,
Yeah.
for bring food, for buy something.
Uh-huh.
My mom is very old. My father left a long time.
Careful.
Yeah. So everything is looking for me. So I'm here. I work with a tourist.
Yeah.
So when I coming to you, I say hello and you say, no. I feel very
Yeah, you feel discouraged.
yes. You say I
Okay.
have problem, and the people don't want to say hello to hate to me.
Right.
I am not lucky.
Right. Oh, what's this? Albino. This is the albino. The albino is the white one?
Yes.
Or this one is albino too?
All yes, it's white.
Oh, so you got this kind of pink, orange albino, and you have the white albino. These are the albinos, and then it's a brown man albino over here. So no. Oh, that's the teeth for the, you know, I make good. Me? Okay.
Lido, I have a lido. Lido.
Oh, see the mouth, see the movement. Yeah, that's the mouth. Yeah, I saw that. Okay. Yo, you know see how far I want? All right, we'll go past Starfish. Yo, people, I'm with still. People, this I do him halfway, you know. Although that's where the
Fisherman.
the reef.
Yeah, the reef.
Okay.
But it's not possible to go there.
It's not possible to go that far,
Very,
right?
very dangerous. Coral.
Coral.
Yes.
It's sharp. Nah, go. Good when me there right
If you
now.
want to go there, you need shoes
Shoes.
and you need to be serious.
I need to be serious.
Yeah, serious.
Yo, Jeremiah, man, born serious. You know. What you say? What you say? I'm born serious. I want me to you. But we now go out there do it with them foot here. You see it?
You are really from Jamaica.
Huh?
You are really from Jamaica.
Why you say that? Huh?
You speak some words from Jamaica.
Yeah, man. They're an original, man.
Are you using also smoke?
Huh?
You use also
Cannabis? If I smoke ganja, I used to.
you
Yeah, I used to smoke ganja. Yeah.
you want?
If I want ganja, no, I'm good right now. I'm good right now. No. But when I was in Jamaica, I smoked ganja. But Jamaicans' approach to ganja is not like other people. It's not a big deal. It's like cigarette. You know?
Really?
Yeah, people don't smoke a spliff, you know, and it's not.
Very expensive.
Yeah. I'm good.
You like also to see Nemo?
Huh?
Nemo.
Who? Nemo?
Nemo.
Nah, I don't need to see Nemo. Oh, over there.
This group also
Yeah.
we make for you.
Okay, all right. Them have them look, them have them system, you know. What's that? What is that? Masai song. Oh, when you jump, hi. Yo, I can't jump high, man. My knees are not. Yo, there's some people still.
Can you see the?
Huh?
They still alive.
Yeah. They're still alive, right?
You see the feet.
Yeah. And this is where the suction occurs, you know?
Yes.
They're taking stuff there. All right.
So now it's finished.
All right.
There is Nemo.
Huh?
Nemo.
They're over there to see Nemo the fish?
Yes. You like?
I know, I don't need to see Nemo. Nemo, all right. He escaped the shark, so.
Okay, now we can
He's
go.
safe. Okay, we go back now. People, look how far in we're there. Look how far from the land we're there. This is about, what, a mile? From land?
Like 2 kilometers.
Huh?
Like 2 kilometers.
Like 2 kilometers. Okay, all right.
Or 3.
Or maybe 3. No, this is more than a mile.
Really?
Yeah, this is more than a mile, and people will look for like.
There is a reef.
Yeah, but up to the reef, where we're looking now, people, it's probably like another mile and a half too. I'm gonna know if I say way over so some people, some look at that way over so too. This is incredible. Like Jesus, you got it. It's interesting that they're using that Christian reference, you know.
You are Christian also?
Huh?
You are Christian?
I was raised a Christian, yes. In Jamaica. Yeah. Jambo.
Jambo, Guana.
Jambo, Buana or Guana?
Guana.
Buana. Jambo. Jambo, Buana.
Habari gani?
Abadi.
Habari gani?
Abadi Gani. Abadi Gani. Jambo. Jambo, Buana. Abadi Guani. What? Good. No, Jeremiah, I like how me sing, you know. Abani Guani. Eh? Banguba. Babamguba. 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 Babam. Jambo Buana. Abadi Guani. Where Abadi Guani? Abadi Gani. Uzuri sana. What? Wageni. Wait. Jambo Buana. Abadi Gani. Uzuri sana. Hey. Bageni. Bakaribishwa. Zanzibar yetu. Hakuna matata. I love that song.
Good?
Huh?
Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I am very, 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 very happy.
We are happy too if you are happy.
Huh?
We are happy if you are happy.
Very good. I give thanks for that.
One line.
Oh. Yeah, let me just follow you. Walk where there is no corral. Yeah, people, man, telling them. Yeah, and then we did just kind of always I go back at Ochi, you know. I hang out with my friend, them at exchange up in a center and there for the White River, you see me? But me also with the tourists, them, you know. And the cruise ship them I used to come in them time there. Used to have some cruise ship, Starward, Sun Viking and couple other ship, you know, them time that was Hotel Intercontinental down at the bottom. Then it was Mallard's Beach Hyatt. You did have Inn on the Beach, Turkle Towers, you know, and then the other one them in a year, Sharp Park Gardens and them there, you see me? Yeah, and that's something used to also with the tourists them, yeah? So, them youth here do them thing, you know, yeah? And them I go, you know, give them a food. And it help with something. But I look at food, I look at this and that for them, you see it? That's how it come on as the world turn. At least them not there, them yard sit down and lazy out the thing, you know? Them come out and I say hello to tourists, I talk to tourists and you know I go, some people may are rude and disrespectful to them because you know that's something they go down. When they do them thing down. I'm sure you thing now why I'm pre-Africa. It's like to me we come here so and I'm not gonna lie, man. There's certain minimum comfort when I like when I travel. And of course it's still like when I travel come over here. That can rough them see they can rough when they're on long haul flights. But at the same time you want to have a comfortable bed and all these things and whatever, you know. You want somewhere safe, you see me? So I pre them things that when I travel and research where for research and thing. Worse if I bring a group and thing. I don't just bring group to certain place, you know, I have to travel it first and scout it out and map it out and ask questions and then decide where I'm going to take them. Because I wasn't planning on taking the group to this hotel. But even with this experience here, you know, with Jeremiah and them, with the possibility of even carrying it further for them, give you a little trip going at the community and thing and whatever. That's what it's about. And then overall now, I don't know what nobody is, but I feel good now if I say, I come to Africa. I spend my money and I support broadly the economy over here and then on a micro level. Them youth, you know, what do them thing, you know. Feed them family and thing, you understand? So that give me a good feeling to say you're spending money here so where our people are benefit from it. You see what I say? And that's why like my spirit I tell me say no, yes I'm for bring the group. And we'll part with Jeremiah. Well on there. We'll bring the group. And then we'll part with Jeremiah down. Got my spirit take Jeremiah. Jeremiah, yeah. You have a good energy. Yes. You guys have a good positive energy. Yes. You understand me? Yes, you're respectful, you're cool. Yeah. You know, and
because we know that you pay a lot of money to be here.
Yeah, traveling to Africa
yes,
is
so
it's a lot. Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah. But not only that, just common, just basic decency, you understand? Respect, you understand? So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna, when I go back to my room, I'm gonna relax for a bit, and then later I'm gonna go down to Stone Town.
Stone Town.
Yeah, and Spice Village.
Spice Village?
Yeah.
You already booked it?
Huh?
You already booked?
No, I was just going myself.
Ah, you have car?
Yes, I have a car. I rented a car.
You rented the car here?
Yeah.
You know there?
Huh?
You know there?
If I know there?
You know?
No, I don't know it. But I'm going to know it.
So you can know the way.
Wait. Wait, I'm getting muscle contracting on my foot here, so. At the spice market, what did they show you at the spice market?
There are very different things.
You know, I didn't know that Zanzibar was considered the spice island.
They have.
I didn't know that.
So you want
I learned that when I came here.
So you want to see?
Yes, I wanna
Here.
here?
Yes.
Down here?
Yes.
Alright. Yeah, I boss, you know, so follow what you say, you see.
So if you have private car, you can go. I show you where is spice.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Alright, we'll see. I go back. Oh!
Pole pole.
Pole, yeah. Lady there tend to her farm. Whole heap of back bending work that, you know. So she did, you know. Set up our thing, you know. Tend to our seaweed. Yo, German. That person's farm is full. The seaweed is grown.
Yes.
They need to come and reap it, right?
Yes.
Right? That one right over there.
Yes.
Oh, they're probably away for a bit. They soon come back. Right?
They already closed.
Huh?
They click.
The what?
They already click.
Click?
Yes, like close. Close this seaweed.
The
So
close?
they wait to grow up more.
Oh, what does close mean?
I mean like the water bring
Yeah?
and they have like this, you see?
Right.
They close here.
Right.
Yes. So they grow up here.
Oh, okay. So, but what I'm saying, it needs to grow bigger than that?
Yes.
Oh,
More.
okay. Oh, it needs to grow much bigger?
Yes.
Oh, all right. Two lady over here. So. Let's see it. People have to get busy for make a dollar, you see me? Can't sit down and a lazy out the thing and a gaze it out, you know. Yeah, man, you have to out there look it down. See? Well, lazy I go. Well, lazy I go.
What do you not do?
So you live in Zanzibar?
Yes.
You live here?
For now we live here.
You live here?
Yes.
Oh, so you don't live on the mainland?
We living there, but we coming here for business.
For business,
Yes.
to work here?
Yeah, for work.
And when you're working here, you stay over here?
Yes, we stay here.
Okay. But you say you're from Arusha?
Yes, from there in mainland, Arusha.
Arusha, okay.
Yes. Goro.
Okay. Which is the best so far? They say Serengeti is the best, huh?
Yes, the Serengeti is the best, but you know, Goro have crater.
I know. I saw a lot of animals in Ngorongoro.
Yes.
A lot.
So
Hyena,
everyone-
lion, giraffe.
It's like everyone play by part.
Right, okay. Okay. Yeah, like Ngorongoro was better than Tarangire.
Yes.
Yeah. But Tarangire have a lot of elephants.
Yes, very small, not big.
Well, it's big, but smaller than Ngorongoro, right?
But Serengeti, Ngorongoro, and Manyara, very big.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Oh, I didn't go to Manyara. Is Manyara good too for animal?
Yes.
Okay.
They have also good view. Good view.
In Manyara?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
So when you said these people, they sell these to the Chinese,
Yes.
and what the Chinese use it to do? To make cosmetics?
Cosmetics.
But
Like shampoo.
right,
Yes.
with the seaweed.
Yes.
Okay, do they cook the seaweed too?
Somebody they use it for juice.
Juice.
Like
Juice,
drink,
right, juice,
drink.
right. But do you guys use it for juice?
No, not us.
No.
No. You know, Masai, we don't eat even fish.
Oh, Maasai don't eat fish?
No. We don't eat something from the sea.
You don't eat anything from the sea? The Maasai?
Yeah, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. You were just raised that way, right?
Yes. That
Okay.
time we reach that.
Okay. You don't eat anything from the sea?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. As you grow, you learn. Oh, the water is warmer down here.
It's not very low.
Right. Ah.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Finished? Good?
Oh, it's finished now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You come back in the hotel?
Yeah, I go back in the hotel.
Yeah, you support it like a
All right.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I come over here, I want to work with the youth. Them, when I forgive them a thing. All right. So let me see. Come here, Jeremiah. You're the leader. So I'm gonna figure this thing out with you. All right, Jeremiah. I'm gonna give you all the money in my pocket.
Okay.
Why are you laughing? Okay. Let's see. I just want, because when I bring my group over here and you do this for them,
Yes.
I want them to know that they have to give you something.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Because
In July.
in July, because this is the way you make your living,
Yeah.
right? This is your expertise.
Yes.
And this is how you graciously share your culture
Yes.
with us and thing, all right? So this is all, what you might call it, shilling, okay?
Tanzania.
Okay. And let me just say, I know these people here, they generally don't give this much. I know that. But here you go. I want you to check it. That's one, wait. That's 1, 2.
3, 4.
Wait. It's kind of sticking. Let me just make sure. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right? So much is that?
20.
Yes, but so much
200.
is 200,000 shillings.
Yes.
And this, I just want to thank you all for doing this, okay? And you guys, you share it up, Jeremiah, you share it and thing, okay? All right?
Alright. Okay.
All right, and then thank you all again for being so nice and take and say and big up the TamFam. Tell them to big up TamFam.
Big TamFam.
Yeah, TamFam, Tambourine family, but say TamFam. Say big up the TamFam.
TamFam.
All right, and big up Spray Them crew. No, Spray Them crew.
Big TamFam.
Yeah,
Big TamFam.
yeah, big up
Big up.
TamFam.
TamFam.
Big up
Big up.
Spray Them crew.
Spray them crew.
And ANC
NC.
go beard.
Beard.
And big up all Jamaicans.
Big up all Jamaica.
That's right. Good. Again, thank you all. All right, thank you. Asante san. Hakuna matata. All right, then go. All right, so go back. No.
Thank you so much.
Huh?
Asante sana.
Asante sana. Oh, people, asante sana is thank you in Swahili. So I know you hear Asante and you're thinking of the Ashanti. Asante is the correct name for the Ashanti. But interestingly, I was reading where way back before lots and lots of years ago, hundreds of years ago, that the Asante people actually came from East Africa. Yeah, so people from East Africa went over hundreds and hundreds of years ago and things. So the languages are different, the cultures are different, customs are different, but there are fundamental similarities there. Yes.
Do you like to buy some stuff here, like memory?
No, I'm okay.
Yes.
I didn't.
Like you see this?
Yes.
This is bracelet.
I know.
We can write the name.
Right. I'm familiar with that. No, I'm okay with that. Yeah. Oh. Yes, people. It was a nice little unexpected journey there a while ago. That was fruitful, edifying, and fun. Give thanks. And even a little bit there about the woman doing the seaweed farming and thing. That was very interesting. And that's another example where you learn something about the people's interaction with the land and what the land provides and how it is used in an interesting way, which is true of anywhere. In Jamaica we have our farmers too, but so many times we go places and we see seaweed and we think nothing of it. In fact, so most of us are kind of disgusted by it, except for we Jamaicans. We're into Irish mash and them something. But we don't really care for seaweed. But here it is of value. And even that interesting tidbit that they do all of this and they take it to the Chinese. That is interesting. For those of you who don't know, the Chinese they too have a huge interest in Africa, and even from the government level, there's some interesting things happening. A lot, but part that is more controversial than others is the Chinese are into giving certain loans to African countries with conditions tied that the inability to pay back the loan will default in the loaner, the Chinese, can have exact ownership of certain properties, certain resources and things like that. And people they're arguing that it's economic imperialism, predatory loans type of things. There's a lot going on there with that, Yeah. Banker. Wagwan. Yeah? Everything alright, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything alright.
Everything thing.
You see it? Everything cook and curry.
Everything cook and curry.
Yeah, so everything plug in.
Everything plug in.
And light there.
I like there. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Say it. Rasta.
Yeah.
Say it. Yeah.
This is your shows.
Alright, cool. And we'll go up there, sir. Okay. Alright, hold on.
Yeah.
So people, that was real though. That did nice. When I lie again, come from there.
Can you write your
We out there, sir. 1 second, the banker.
Okay.
Right, so where I come from there, we out there, sir. And big up the Maasai youth, them and thing. And whatever for the little shearings were going a while ago, Give thanks and thing out there. I think now I'll go back to my room right now. Go all I relax and thing, And things, see. People say me tell us, even though the sun hot, because the sun hot right now, and people them cover up, and things, seeing, so I'm going to stop this right now, yeah.